this episode, we teach you how to properly lube your garage door.
All garage doors require some simple annual maintenance. At Father and Son Garage Door, we recommend lubing your door at least once a year. With our simple 4-point checklist, you'll keep your garage door running smoothly all year long.
And we always recommend a lithium or silicone-based lubricant.
Lubricate your rollers. Lubricate your hinges. Lubricate your springs. Lubricate your bearings.
And for best results, operate your garage door after lubricating. As you can see, maintaining your garage door can be a very simple task. If you live in the Colorado Springs area, give us a call. You get a free lube and tune with every service.